I renovated my workshop's roof in the middle of an heat wave, and it took me 2 weeks to complete. This is me, and I did my roof all alone. I needed to do my roof because it had some leaks. It was uninsulated, so in the summer I was melting away, and in the winter we were freezing in here, and that needed to change. This needs a complete overhaul, so I will remove the old roofing, put new wood, insulate it, and
Kevin is going to renovate the garage workshop roof. For this, Kevin removes the old roofing. After that, he takes down all the wood. Kevin lays new USB boards, then insulates with pire boards, and finally lays and porches new roofing.
And just like that, we saved ourselves 10,000 euros by doing this job ourselves. The workshop is a complete mess, so we need to clean out our workshop. So it's something for the next video, so we can start building our next project in a clean and comfortable environment. We're at the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Keep building skills. See you in the next. Peace.